Hey there, food enthusiasts. James here from Bloggin Good Food, and today we are diving deep into the world of nutrient-rich chicken options. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body. Let's roll. The protein powerhouse. When it comes to a nutrient-packed diet, chicken is a true protein powerhouse. Its lean profile makes it your go-to for building muscle. And hey, staying satisfied. Never tasted this good. Organic and free range marvels. Opt for organic and free range chicken for a taste that's not just good for you but also for the environment. Happy chicken storming free, giving you guilt free bites of flavor. It's a win win. Flair Fiesta with grilled goodness. Who said healthy cannot be delicious? Fire up the grill for some mouth-watering grilled chicken that's not just big on flavor but also low on guilt. Imagine the sizzle, the aroma, the joy of healthy indulgence. Steet Fry sensation. Give your taste buds a dance with chicken steet fry, packed with veggies and bursting with flavor. It's not just a quick meal, it's a nutrient-packed, delicious sensation for any day. Healthy does not get tastier than this. Baked bliss, oven delights. Let's talk oven magic. Baked chicken delights that are not only easy on your health but also on your taste buds. Crispy skin, juicy meat, the oven does wonders, my friends. Salad symphony with chicken notes. Now, let's compose a salad symphony with chicken notes. Fresh greens, vibrant veggies, and the protein punch of chicken. It's a harmony of flavors that your body will thank you for. There you have it, folks. A symphony of nutrient-rich chicken. Options that not only nourish your body but also excite your taste buds. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you in the next mouth-watering episode. Stay delicious.